Good morning, dear students. Children, welcome to your another session of your online classes. Just to tell you that today is the last part of this lesson number 10. And children, this is my email address in case you do not understand anything. Let's continue with the topic for today. Image that are formed by the concave lens. Now, children, always remember concave lens, they are diverging lens. Means the incident ray, once they get refracted, they do not meet at the focus point. In fact, they get diverged. Okay. So here, in case of a concave lens, we find that the images which are formed, they are virtual and they are usually erect, and the size of the image is usually very small. So here, yesterday when I taught you convex lens, children, there were 5 different ray diagram, but be relaxed here क्योंकि कॉन्केव में आपके 2 ही रे डायग्राम हैं और चलन रे डायग्राम को बार बार प्रैक्टिस करना है. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द 3 इंसिडेंट रे. आई टोल्ड यू कि 3 इंसिडेंट रे कहाँ कहाँ से पास होती है. हमें 3 नहीं बनाने होते हैं. वी कैन ड्रॉ एनी 2 और वेर एवर दे विल मीट और दे अपीयर टू मीट, वहाँ पर हमारा इमेज फॉर्मेशन होगा. Okay, and practice that more and more, so you will be able to learn this table and the one which I gave you yesterday very easily by practicing ray diagram again and again, है ना. I know many of you are very fond of drawing, तो इस इन दिवाली की छुट्टियों में थोड़े से रे डायग्राम के प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिए, बिकॉज दिस चिल्ड्रन दिस पर्टिकुलर लेसन हैज़ गॉट लॉट ऑफ वेटेज इन योर फाइनल एग्जाम. और हर साल एक रे डायग्राम तो आता ही है फॉर 5 मार्क्स. सो टोटल देयर आर 7 रे डायग्राम. उसमें से एनी वन मे बी आस्क्ड इन योर exam. So children, practice them well. Okay, let us understand what happens in a concave lens. Okay, here children, the object is kept at the infinity. Okay, the 2 incident ray, they pass through the concave lens, and you know children, concave lens, they are diversifying lens. So here the rays, they move away, and we extend the incident ray and we find that they appear to meet at focus. The image which is formed is very small. It is almost equal to the point size, and the image which is formed here is virtual and it is erect. Okay, what happens in the second case? If the object is kept between 2f and f, here again children, 2 incident ray, and uh, remember concave, they are diverged, so here they will not pass through the second focus, but they just move away from the principal axis. And again here we try to extend the incident ray and they meet somewhere between the optical center and the focus. And children, again here the image which is formed is erect, but it is very small comparative to the object. So please draw and practice these diagrams again and again, children. Now let's go to the next topic. What are the different application of lenses in our day-to-day life? Very importantly, many of you are going through the online classes, children, for almost last 5 to 6 months, and too much addiction to screen, it may affect your eyes. Okay, so children, please get yourself checked thoroughly by the ophthalmologist who checks the eyes. And in case you are wearing glasses, so that means there are lenses. That is the first use of lens in our day-to-day life. So the specs that you all are using, application of lenses, वो पहला है. ठीक है. Second, you all recently Karwa Chauth festival went, children, and before 2-3 days back there was Sharad Purnima. So you all must have observed the moon very nicely, और आप में से कुछ लोगों के पास टेलीस्कोप भी होगा. Okay, so children, in telescope binocular also we have the lenses, and we do have concave lens in the laser lights. Okay, and children, different type of scanners. You all are techno savvy children, so I think I don't have to explain you what is meant by scanner. Medical equipments, they use lens. If you have gone to a dentist, you know, he looking all your teeth. Okay, he does it with the help of a lens. And DVD players, CD players, they all use laser beam. Cameras, you all have your mobiles, so there also children lens are there. The flashlight that you have in your mobile, it also has lens. And peepholes. Mm, uh, it is not much common in Mithapur children, but if you go in cities, we cannot keep our home open how we keep in the Mithapur. So in cities, you will find usually people have their doors locked, and if somebody rings, they see through that peephole and they come to know who's standing outside. Okay, so children, these are the some of the application of lenses. Now, power of a lens. Children, power of a lens is defined as the ability of a lens to converge or diverge. Okay, it's not in your syllabus, but I thought I should explain you. The power of lens is calculated in diopter. It is the SI unit of power of lens. Now, one very important phenomena that you all must have observed in nature, and in this monsoon season there were many beautiful rainbows in Mithapur. Sometime we were able to see two rainbows also. That is why I have taken the same picture only. Now children, what is a rainbow? It's a multicolored arc-shaped phenomena that appears in the sky. Okay, the color of a rainbow are produced by the reflection and dispersion of light through the water droplets that are present in the atmosphere. And children, an rainbow is a optical illusion. मतलब when you are in a particular location, then only you will be able to see rainbow. अगर आप 4-5 किलोमीटर दूर चले जाएंगे तो आपको वहाँ से रेनबो नहीं दिखेगा. Some of the very interesting phenomena about rainbows are, children, at a time 4 to 5 rainbows can be formed in the sky. There are different type of rainbows that appear, and many times you must have seen two rainbows. So the one which is nearer to you is called as a secondary, and the one which is farther is called as a primary rainbow. And rainbows, they are very beautiful. They are always a site of attraction. It's a beautiful nature's gift to our children. A rainbow is made up of 7 colors in a specific order. How is the rainbow formed? Just now I told you, when the sunlight passes through the water droplets, and the light keeps on changing its direction due to the optical density. You remember refractive index. Okay, and two processes take place, children: reflection and refraction, and this is how this particular beautiful rainbow is formed. Now children, in a rainbow there are 7 colors. Remember it as Vibgyor. Okay, and children, here the red color has got the minimum wavelength, and the violet has got the maximum wavelength. So usually, if you have seen a rainbow, if you have seen an ambulance, और if you have seen a traffic signal red color, या फिर आपने कंपनी में बड़े बड़े जो टॉवर्स हैं, है ना, during the night you must have seen that on particular heights they have red color. So children, red color scatters the least. That is why it is used as a danger sign. बाकी ऐसा नहीं है कि red color indicates something danger. Okay, and children, red color is the most energetic color. That is why in most of the festival, wedding ceremony, you must have seen people wearing red color. So these are the different 7 colors. You must have learned in your lower classes how to remember Vibgyor, Vibgyor. Okay, and it's all about this particular lesson, children. I hope you must have understood. Now tomorrow I'll be sending some worksheets, so do complete them. And children, also learn for the monthly test for November. Ranjan ma'am has already given you the syllabus, so please go through the concepts and go through the videos also. In case you do not understand anything, please do give us our feedbacks, okay, on our email address. And do not have so many queries after the exams, children. Okay, if you clear all your queries before exam, it is easy for you to attempt the exam and get very good scores. Okay, so children, it's all about this. And happy Diwali. Take care of yourself, and bye bye. Take care.